Hi, and welcome to our RateX dashboard tutorial. In this video, we'll walk you through the platform step by step, so you can start trading with confidence. So let us start by heading to rate-x.io in your web browser. Once the page loads, you can simply click on the Launch App button to open up the trading platform. The first thing to do is to connect your wallet. This is an important step to make sure your trades can be executed. Let's start by exploring one of our handy features, the Markets section. Simply click on the Markets button to get a quick overview of the available yields for different assets. Here, you can view the current yields, and if you'd like, you can click Trade to start trading the yield, or Earn to explore the fixed yield options. Now, let's walk through how to use the Earn, Trade, and Liquidity products. First, click on the asset you want to earn a fixed yield from. In this case, we'll select JITO by clicking this button to go directly to its Earn page. Here, you can select the maturity period, which determines when you'll receive your earned APY after depositing. Once decided on the maturity period, click here to enter the amount of JITO you'd like to deposit and click Deposit. When it's done, you'll be able to view your fixed yield in the dashboard. Also, if you'd like to explore other products, just click the X in the top right corner of the box. This will take you to a list of available assets for deposit, along with their current APYs. Next, let's dive into one of the most popular features on RateX, the Trade product. To access it, simply click on the Trade button at the top, right next to Market. Alternatively, you can access the Trade section directly from the Market page, as we showed earlier. Once you're on the Trade page, click on the current trading token to explore and choose from the available assets. Make sure you're on the All tab so you can see all the assets you can trade. We'll go ahead and select JITO to walk you through the trading process. Now, you'll see the chart for JITO. On this page, you can decide whether you want to go long or short the yield, depending on your strategy. For this example, we'll stick with going long on the yield. Enter the amount of JITO you want to buy. For this example, let's enter 100 YT. After that, decide how much leverage you want to use. Also, keep an eye on the paying margin. This tells you how much of your assets will be required as a deposit for this trade. And when you're ready, click on Trade to confirm your order. It's always a good idea to double-check the details before finalizing your trade. Once your trade is complete, you can check your position right here. The YT/ST indicator will show the amount of YT you've purchased, based on the number of ST displayed. You'll also see key details like your profit and loss, P&L, entry price, current price, and margin. If you want to close your position, simply look here and click the Close Position button. Now, let's move on to our third product, Liquidity. To access it, just click on the Liquidity button at the top, right next to Earn. Once you're in the Liquidity section, select the asset you want to provide liquidity for. For this example, let's choose JITO. You'll see the available liquidity pools here. Make sure you have the necessary assets in your wallet before proceeding. This page will also display important details like the APR, maturity, and the expiry date for the liquidity pool. Next, choose the range you want to invest in and enter the amount of JITO you'd like to add to the pool. Keep in mind that if the yield moves beyond the range you've selected, your liquidity won't earn any APR. Once done, click on LP position at the top left to check on the liquidity positions you're in. This will show you all the details of your liquidity pools. Finally, let's head over to your dashboard. This is where you can get an overview of your cumulative P&L and see all your trading balances. As you scroll down, you'll see your active yield trading positions, and here, you can view your position details and even close a trade if you wish. Feel free to explore the other tabs: Balance, Orders, History of Purchases, and Expired Contracts. To manage your deposits, click on the Earn tab. From here, you can deposit more assets or withdraw your earnings. Other sections under Earn include History and Expired Contracts, where you can track your past actions. Moving on to the Liquidity tab, you can also view your liquidity positions and remove liquidity if needed. Lastly, you'll also be able to see the amount of claimed fees under the Claimed Fees tab. And that's a wrap. You're now ready to navigate the RateX dashboard, start trading, provide liquidity, and earn on your assets. Remember, always trade wisely and keep exploring the platform. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out for support. Happy trading!